Okay, hi everyone. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to create your brand board. So this is very easy and it's very quick for you to make kasi we're just going to use Canva. So here, open a new document. Just this is for the guide para hindi tayo mawala. So you put their brand name, mission, color palette, and typography. Ayan. So we go back here if you are undecided of the colors. So let's just say that we are creating a brand board for a girl or someone who's going to offer her services to girls or women. So you go to Canva and then you click sign up and continue with email, or you can continue with Google if you like. So this is for example purposes only. Ayan. Example, ayan, hindi naman talaga to nag-i-exist guys. I'm just showing it to you. Ayan. And then you're gonna type in your name. If you have a student email, you can use it. I think they have like a discount or free Canva account if you're a teacher or a student. And then, ayan, ayaw niya. Okay, there we go. So, make sure that the email that you use is active kasi dun isi-send ni Canva yung code which will activate your account. So now let's go and ayan, I will be using my account. Ayan. Because lahat kasi ng mga Gmail accounts ko may Canva na. So, yeah. Okay. So, ayan, let's go to create a design nasa upper right on the screen. And then you can see there some templates. Ang daming templates, guys. Like, remember when I told you na Canva will be your best friend? Yan, totoo yan. So, you can use from this, templates here in Canva. They already have ready-made logos that you can use, which are very nice as well. Pero medyo common siya. And then, para naman medyo mag-stand out tayo ng konti, let's try to create our own design. So, honestly, I'm not very good with design, guys. I'm not, very creative, but nakaka-proud pag ikaw kasi gumawa ng logo mo. Or if you have if you know someone na gumagawa ng logo, or if you have budget, then you can opt in or invest on a logo. So since we haven't thought about our colors yet, or color palette, then we'll just stick with black muna. Ayan. In Canva Pro, you get to put your brand kit and your brand color. So, that's very easy and convenient for us. Lalo na pag marami ka ng clients na hinahandle. Sorry. Okay, so let's start with this one. I'm trying to create an idea or think of an idea kung anong logo yung gagawin natin, how it looks like and stuff. Usually, pag gusto mo talaga sa branding or napili mong niche is branding, it's kind of really hard, guys, kasi you will have to do sketchings. You have to ask a lot of questions to the client kasi you don't know the client and you don't know their preferences. Pero pag logo mo or brand mo, it's more of like freedom kasi sa'yo walang you're the boss. So basically, you're just going to try to maybe experiment on what looks good or what design you want, and whatever. Okay, let's make a design for whose name ba? Let's say Kia. Ayan. And sino si Kia? Okay, let's just make Kia. Ayan. So Kia is we're creating a brand board for Kia. Isipin na lang natin na client natin si Kia. Ayan, this looks good. Isipin na lang natin na client si Kia and we're creating a logo for her. Ayan. Think of yourself as a client. And then si Kia nag-o-offer ng bookkeeping services. Ayan. So, tanggalin na lang natin yan. Okay. So, Kia wants something minimalist or something clean. So, kunwari na lang, like I said, you can refer your creation to the answers of your client. Pag client mo na. Pero pag sa'yo, mas maganda kasi pag sa'yo, diba? Kasi you get to answer the questions right away na parang, gusto ko ba ng ng ganito, may font ba ako na preferred, or may colors ba ako na kailangan isali. So, it's better to create your own brand. It's easier. So, ayan, let's try this one. And kunwari, Kia Virtual Services. Let's think of a name. I'm not sure if maganda ba ito. Ayan. Usually, guys, nakikita din kasi minsan sa logos natin yung personality ng ating brand. Kasi for example, we're targeting, 'di ba, feminine coaches or girls, or babae, kasi most of us, we usually want to work with girls, like yung mga women, mga entrepreneurs. So let's just opt in for maybe we are targeting women entrepreneurs as a client. So, ayan ang pangit ng logo. Let's just, try na lang natin mag-experiment sa mga fonts. Ayan, I think this looks good. Ayan. Okay, maybe we can use this one. Ayan. And then, maybe we can put in. So, kunwari, si Kia is offering bookkeeping services to women. So, parang dapat yung logo niya mag-reflect din dun sa ino-offer niya. So, let's say bookkeeping. Ayan. I'm still thinking kung bookkeeping ba o virtual services, but let's muna for now. Ayan. Anong maganda? Bookkeeping or I think Kia bookkeeping is more how do I say this? Specific. Ayan. Let's go to Pexels, and before we type something there, let's open our color wheel. So, ayan, since gusto ko ng mga girls, and I'm also a girly, so I was thinking of using pink. Ayan. So, guys, yung colors na ginagamit natin dito, wala tayong mga political, not related to politics. Ayan. So, pink shade, try natin. Or if you have a picture that you like, you can also use it. Pero ang maganda kasi sa Pexels or sa stock art is maganda yung quality ng pictures. So, mas kuha yung colors na pwede nyo gamitin. Okay, let's find something here. I think I like ba't ko yung rose. Ayan. So, you're going to click that and download. Download mo lang siya, and then ayan, ang tagal naman mag-download. Ayan na siya. Okay. And then, after that, you're going to add or open a new tab, and then you type in Adobe Color Extractor. Ayan. And then, ito yung lalabas. Click nyo lang yan. And then, wait natin. After that, you're going to click Extract Theme, and you will upload the picture that you downloaded earlier sa Pexels. So, what's the good thing about this one is, mamumove mo siya eh. As you can see, parang pwede mong i-move yung circle kung anong shade sa picture yung gusto mong makuha. And, makukuha nila yung hex codes na gusto mo. So, hex code is parang code sa color, kasi ang daming shade of green, di ba? Kung red, ang daming shade of red, maraming shade of pink. Yan. So, let's just put your brand name, Kia Virtual Services, or Kia Bookkeeping Services, or Kia Bookkeeping. Ayan. I'm not sure pa, pero natin. So, yung mission natin is to provide bookkeeping services to cosmetic brands or feminine coaches. Ayan, cosmetic brands, kasi when we say cosmetic, parang more on girly sila, diba? It's gonna be really pink or red kasi cosmetics. So, let's go back to here, and then yung hex code, guys, ika-copy nyo lang. As you can see, you're going to click, automatic na siyang magka-copy, and then paste it on your document. Ayan. Lagay nyo lang siya, like copy nyo lahat. Ayan, sorry, nalilito na. Okay, and then lastly, ayan. Okay, so we have the color palette na. This will be our colors for the brand. Siguro natatanong nyo, pwede bang gumamit ng ibang colors yes, of course, pwede. But, you have to add something na may kulay natin or nagre-represent ng brand natin. So, here we're going to choose the colors na. So, basically, you're going to click the colors and then, you tap that icon and, ayan. And then, you're going to copy and paste the hex code. So, guys, ito lang sample lang to. So, depende sa inyo kung anong kulay ang gusto nyong gamitin. So, it really depends on you. So, I'm just here making it kung ano lang yung makopy ko para mabilis tayo. Ayan. So, kunwari ito, and then I'm going to change it to that. Okay, key of virtual services. So, it's kind of red and pink. Ayan. This one, like sinabi ko kanina, di ba, the font can represent your personality, brand personality. As you can see, medyo kikay siya. So, when they see this, if you compare these two, parang nakikita mo na parang siya. Ayan, let's change this to bookkeeping services. Para consistent. Ayan. So, parang ito yung formal and then we can use the curly one or the cursive one for as an alternative logo. Ayan. So, you're going to copy and paste. Ayan. So, kunwari, yan. Okay, ang pangit ng logo. But, whatever. Okay. Ayan. So, you're going to download it. Make sure you click the transparent background. Kasi, you're going to put this or use this picture or logo sa lahat ng posts mo. So, you better save it with transparent background. Okay. Now, tapos nang gumawa ng logo, we are going to make our brand board. So, you just simply click the link that we have. You can also create yours or you can also find yours. Ang daming templates sa Canva. Like, literally, sobrang daming maganda doon. Okay, so this is just an example of a mood board that I created for brand board for my client. So, ayan. You just upload the pictures or the logos that we created and then arrange nyo lang siya. This one, I decided to create it as, or to use it as an alternative logo. Ayan. And then, the other one is, more on like, sa primary logo. Kasi medyo, it looks very, clean. Diba? So, yung alternative logo, may pagkakikay siya. So, we have here typography, which means fonts. So, yun yung mga parang main fonts na gagamitin natin. Okay, so we have here our document. And we are going to copy and paste this one. The hex codes. Ayan. Also, the hex code numbers sa baba. Kasi again, this will be our guide. It's like gonna be a foundation of yours or your brand's foundation na if ever you get lost or diba, if magkakaroon ka ng consistency, you always have something to go back to pag nawala ka. So ayan. And usually guys, yung iba kasi sinasabi pag pink lang, any shade of pink. Mas maganda kasi yung may sayo ka na parang you own it, like it's yours. Okay. So ayan, ilalagay nyo yung code sa baba. Sorry, nakalimutan ko. Ayan. Sa pink. Copy lang, tsaka paste. And then here, you're going to put the typography na. So ayan. Typography natin is Calgary. Ilagay natin Calgary. Ayan. And then, yung isa is ayan. Basically guys, if nalagay nyo na dito sa brand board nyo na Calgary yung font, doesn't mean na kailangan Calgary na lahat or Terbang na lahat. You can use any font that you like as long as may nagsa-stand out or may logo kayo. As long as you have like consistency or shall I say may isang Kumbaga kahit okay na kung hindi lahat, basta may isang matitira in a post na parang magiging identifier nyo na parang, oh, it's Kia bookkeeping services. Yan. Okay. So, let's, ayan. So, let's try. Also, this code bro, I really like this font. So, pwede yung ilagay yan kung gusto nyo. And then, ayan. So, oops, sorry. Ayan. I-ano natin. Okay, oh my god, sorry. Hindi ko nalagay yung Kia na font. I forgot. The cursive one. Okay, anyways, ayan. So, let's go back to Pexels. And we will get more pictures of this for the inspiration. Para lang maganda tingnan. Okay. So, this will serve as your, inspiration. Pag napagod kayo sa freelance or ganon, you can always go back to this because this will give you an energy. Kasi, nag-build ka ng brand eh. Diba? Imagine, you're just at home, but you're already a brand owner. Ayan. So, delete natin tong inspiration and upload natin yung mga pictures na nakuha natin kanina. Ayan. And additional ones. Guys, huwag kayong ma-stress ha kung kunwari isang picture pero yung ibang picture wala ka nang mapagkukunan or magagamit. Oh, sorry. Ngayon ko lang napansin. Hindi ko pala napalitan. Ayan. Okay, there you go. Ayan, so let's continue adding. Ayan, pag wala kayo guys, or like isa lang yung picture, pwede kayong mag-search ng kahit ano na parang pink or pink and red, ganun. It doesn't really matter if siya, magkaiba, as long as may mga shades na nakikita doon. And it's not really important guys, kasi this is your brand. So, diba? So, alam mo eh, unless kung sa client mo. So, let's just continue and make it parang, konti, adjust natin ng konti. Ay, hindi nasama. Ayan. And then, proceed to inspiration. Ayan. And then, we're going to add your parang value. So, yung values nyo or the personality of the brand. So, this will remind you kung ano ka as a person. Ano yung brand as a person. So, it's mature, feminine, sophisticated. Kasi syempre, di ba, we are catering girls or feminine or women. So, we have to have a brand that will catch their attention or their eyes. Ayan. Yan. So, you have a brand board na ngayon, and then you're going to save it as PDF, not as PNG, kasi sa PNG, di mo nakaka-copy and paste yung mga hex codes, and mahihirapan ka if you will type it one by one, diba? So, you can use PDF para copy-paste na lang. So, ayan, let's view our, ayan, lagay natin yung details. Actually guys, pwede nyo naman i-delete ng document talaga. But for me, mas maganda pag isi-save nyo para may backup lang. Just in case. Ayan. Lagay nyo values or with the personality as feminine. Kung ano yung mo. This is just a sample Okay, there you go. And then let's open our file. And, tada! Ayan. Alternative logo. Ayan, color palette. Ayan. So, congratulations. I will be waiting for your brand board before I see you in the next video. Bye! Thank you!